Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is going a lot better for y'all than it is for me. But anyways, guys, on a good note, we do have a new spoiler that's been revealed for the BoxyCharm February Premium Box. Now, this is the Tarte spoiler that we have been hearing about. So I do have exactly which primer that is. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, guys, let's read that first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the BoxyCharm February box. Congratulations, KC Vagana. I hope I said that right. I'm sorry, Casey, if I didn't. But thank you so much, Casey, for having your bell on. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, first I'm going to show you the ones we already know about, and then I'm going to reveal the new spoiler to you. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing up is the SelfTaught Beauty, the Flat Iron. Next thing up is the Carity Picante eyeshadow palette. And then we have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And last but certainly not least, and this is the new spoiler, guys, this is the Tarte Primer. So the primer is going to be the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. What y'all think, guys? Y'all like it? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Alicia Hernandez. Alicia says, I'm eating Wendy's now. Yeah, that sounds good, actually. I wish I was eating at Wendy's instead of just sitting here uploading videos. But I really appreciate it, Alicia, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. Guys, please, please, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments, or taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers, guys. So I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. See it? That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Guys, I also wanted to take a minute to thank these people. Thank you to Lindsay, Maria, Amanda, Steve, and Teresa. You guys have no idea how much you helped me. Now, they donated to my PayPal, and I mean, I couldn't be more grateful for y'all to do that for me, especially at a time like now. Like, I'm going through one of the hardest times in my life. Like, New Year's of 2019, I lost my house, lost everything. And New Year's of 2020 is not starting off as good as what I, anticipated. But, I mean, all we could do is think positive and try to move forward, just keep moving. And that's exactly what I'm doing. But, guys, that helps me out so much. You wouldn't believe how much it helps me out. And, again, I appreciate it. And I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Each and every one of you. I love everybody that supports my channel. Thank you, guys. I love you.